right, let's go.
Hi, folks. Welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Naheem, and we're here to show you our latest arrival. It's a 2026 Scout 261 XSS. If you notice, this boat comes with the dual step hull. That's what the SS stands for. Notice the design here on how this beautiful hull angles down like that. We ordered this one with a Verado V10 400 horsepower motor. Takes this boat right there in the 60 mile an hour speed range. A blade power pole. Look how cool that is. Let's step inside. Hi, we're on board the Scout 261 XSS. Wanted to show you some cool features this boat has. Notice how you have a flush deck here for, easy casting. And look, check this out. You have triple seating arrangement. So when you're going, everyone's sitting nice and comfortably. Very high seats, comfortable for the back. Let's close this up. Look at the size of this live well. We got a charging system here. 4 rocket launchers here. Check out how cool this center console is. Dual Garmin 12-inch screens, Fusion radio. We got zip wakes. Standard on the Scout 261 XSS. Look how comfy this is. Power pull control for the blade. Check out the head here. You could stand up, changing room, electric head. There's one of the cool features this boat has. Look at the size of this forward lounge here. 2 people can fit here comfortably. Notice U-shaped seating here. Rod holder, cup holders. You can get a bow shade if you want. These are removable. Check this out. We have 2 ladders that you can deploy when you're out in the sandbar or swimming. Well, thank you for joining us. Please visit us at MarineMaxMiami.com or call me at 786-327-9175. Thank you.